Hi! In this video, we'll walk through the installation of the Perun Moto tie-down brackets for Yamaha Tenere 700. Let's start with what's included in the kit. You'll find a left-hand and right-hand tie-down bracket, along with 4 M8 by 20 mm button head Torx bolts and 4 M8 flat washers. For the installation, you'll need a 6 mm Allen key and a TX40 Torx bit. Access to the bolts can be a bit easier when using a straight extension, as shown later in the video. The first step is to remove the stock passenger footpack brackets. Each side is secured with 2 bolts. Undo the bolts and remove the brackets from the bike. Before installing the new parts, it's a good idea to clean the threaded holes in the frame. This helps ensure proper bolt engagement and accurate torque. Next, install the right-hand side tie-down bracket oriented as shown. Use the supplied M8 bolts together with the flat washers, inserting them from the underside. Apply a medium-strength thread-locking compound. Tighten the bolts evenly and torque them to 8 to 10 Nm. Repeat the same process on the other side. After a few rides, it's recommended to check the bolt torque and retighten if necessary. With that, the installation is complete. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip on how to use the quick release slot in the simplest way. Start by threading the strap through the buckle on your luggage to create a loop. Then, insert the loop into the quick release slot from the back side of the tie-down bracket. Once the loop is seated, simply pull on the strap to tension it. That's it. No need to thread the entire strap through the slot, which makes mounting and removing luggage much faster. Thanks for watching and, as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.